Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make something super easy and super delicious. Yes, homemade yogurt. Such a fun recipe because it is healthy and only takes 2 ingredients. So let's get into it. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. I'm using whole milk, but you can use almond milk or any cream at all, okay? I'm gonna use about 4 cups of milk, then 2 tablespoons of a plain yogurt with live cultures, okay? This will act as your starter, okay? Alright, so to begin, our first step is to heat the milk, okay? So I'm going to pour in the milk into a saucepan and set it over a medium heat, okay? You want to bring it around 180 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? Which helps to kill any bad bacteria and gives your yogurt a better texture, okay? So once the milk reaches about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to take it off the heat and let it cool down to around 110 Fahrenheit. This is important because if the milk is too hot, it can kill the live culture in your yogurt starter, okay? Now that the milk has cooled, I'm going to add in our yogurt starter, okay? In a small bowl, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and mix it with a little of the warm milk until it is smooth, okay? In this case, you can use any flavor of your choice, okay? So then go ahead to mix it really well. Once that is done, I'm going to pour in the milk into the yogurt mixture, okay? And whisk it all together gently. So I'm going to cover the milk with the lid, then transfer it into a tray, cover it with a clean towel, and keep it in a warm place for about 6 to 12 hours, depending on how thick and tangy you want your yogurt, okay? The longer it sits, the thicker and tangier your yogurt will be, okay? I usually leave it in my oven overnight or sometimes 8 hours for the perfect balance, okay? And please do not turn your oven on, okay? Just leave the light on. Alright, so the following morning our yogurt is ready. We'll go ahead to remove the clean towel and then check how our yogurt came out. So this is the consistency I got. Now you can go ahead to enjoy it right away, okay? But what I'll do next is to cover it, then pop it into the fridge just to cool down a bit for a few hours. But you know me, guys, I couldn't wait, so 30 minutes later I brought it out to enjoy it as a breakfast, okay? You can enjoy it as it is, or you can add your favorite toppings like fresh fruits or granola. It's so delicious and much healthier than store-bought. And that's about it, guys. Homemade yogurt. Thank you all so much for watching. If you try this recipe at home, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more homemade recipes and kitchen tips, okay? See you in my next video.